Hey everyone, welcome to my video blog about natural remedies for headaches. Headaches can be really painful and annoying, and they often come with no warning. But there are a few natural remedies that you can turn to for relief. First, drink plenty of water. Dehydration can be a major contributor to headaches, so staying hydrated helps to keep them at bay. Second, try applying a cold or hot compress to the affected area. Applying a cold compress can help reduce swelling and inflammation, while a hot compress can help to relax tense muscles. Third, try aromatherapy. Aromatherapy involves using essential oils to help provide relief from headaches. Lavender, peppermint, and eucalyptus are all known to help reduce headache pain. Fourth, get some rest. If you're feeling a headache coming on, it's important to get some rest. Take a nap or go to bed early to give your body the break it needs to help reduce your headache. Finally, practice relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation. Taking a few minutes out of your day to relax can be a great way to reduce the intensity of a headache.